Alright, let's dive into the treetops of Africa and meet one of the continent's most fascinating residents, the Colobus monkey. If you've never heard of them, you're in for a treat. The African Colobus monkey isn't just striking with its black and white fur, it's also got a story that stretches back thousands of years. Picture this: dense forests stretching across Central and East Africa, sunlight filtering through the canopy, and up above, a troop of Colobus monkeys leaping from branch to branch. They're acrobats of the jungle, moving with a grace that seems almost effortless. Their name, Colobus, actually comes from the Greek word for maimed, because these monkeys don't have thumbs. That's right, they're missing those handy digits, but it turns out it makes swinging through the treetops even easier. Colobus monkeys are all about family. They live in close-knit groups, usually led by a dominant female, and everyone chips in to care for the little ones. You'll often see aunties, cousins, and siblings babysitting, grooming, and playing together. There's constant chatter, a mix of barks, grunts, and even rumbling growls. It's their way to stay in touch and warn each other about danger, like leopards or eagles lurking nearby. But there's more to their story. Throughout history, Colobus monkeys have been both admired and threatened. Their beautiful fur was once highly prized, especially in the 19th and early 20th centuries. European traders turned their silky black and white coats into hats, capes, and other luxury items. That meant bad news for Colobus populations. Hunting, along with deforestation, pushed these monkeys out of many areas they once called home. Luckily, things are changing. Conservation efforts and protected parks have given them a fighting chance. Today you can still find Colobus monkeys in places like Kenya's Kakamega Forest and Uganda's Kibale National Park, where they play a vital role in the ecosystem. They're seed spreaders, chomping on leaves and fruits, then carrying those seeds all across the forest. Without them, entire habitats might start to unravel. Watching a Colobus monkey leap from tree to tree is like seeing a living piece of art. Their long, bushy tails flow behind them like streamers, and their calls echo through the trees. They remind me that every creature, no matter how small or strange, has a story worth hearing, a history tied to the land, and a future that's in our hands. So next time you think of Africa's wildlife, don't forget the Colobus monkeys high above doing their part to keep the forest alive. Because in the end, their story is part of our story too. Deep within Africa's lush forests, where sunlight filters through a dense canopy of leaves, lies a world teeming with life. It's a realm of vibrant greens, earthy browns, and the constant hum of the wild. Here, a striking figure leaps effortlessly through the branches, a ballet of agility and grace unfolding high above the forest floor. It's the Colobus monkey, a primate perfectly adapted to life amongst the leaves. Instantly recognizable with its striking black and white fur, a stark contrast against the green foliage, and a magnificent flowing white tail that streams behind it like a banner as it moves. This tail isn't just for show, it aids in balance and communication. The Colobus is undeniably a master of the treetops, navigating the complex network of branches with unparalleled skill. They are arboreal acrobats born to live amongst the leaves. Interestingly, its very name, meaning mutilated in Greek, hints at a unique physical characteristic. This refers to its specialized hand, missing a true thumb, a feature that might seem like a disadvantage, but is actually a remarkable adaptation. This adaptation is perfect for swinging effortlessly through the canopy, allowing for greater speed and efficiency in their arboreal movements. Their hand is a hook, designed for life in the trees. These monkeys are more than just inhabitants, they are the very spirit of the forest, an integral part of its delicate ecosystem. Their range extends from West Africa's lush coastal regions, where they thrive in the humid environment, all the way to the misty, cool mountains of the east, showcasing their adaptability to diverse environments. While the black and white Colobus is undoubtedly the most iconic and widely recognized, the vibrant red and subtle olive Colobus species each add their own unique hues and patterns to the tapestry of the treetops, enriching the forest's biodiversity. What unites them all is a shared leaf-eating lifestyle and an incredible agility, honed over generations. Their specialized diets and physical capabilities have been meticulously shaped by millions of years of evolution, a testament to the power of natural selection. For the Colobus, their world is primarily vertical. A complex network of branches and leaves, a three-dimensional maze that they navigate with ease and precision. Within this arboreal realm, every leap is not just a movement but a breathtaking display of wild grace and athleticism. To witness a colobus in full flight, soaring through the air between trees, is to witness the very essence of freedom and the untamed beauty that defines the African canopy. It's a privilege to observe such natural artistry. This is the story of their intricate world, a captivating journey into the daily life, the struggles and the triumphs of one of Africa's most enchanting and ecologically important primates. So, let's embark on this exploration together, venturing into the hidden realms and uncovering the secrets of the Colobus monkey. As dawn breaks, Colobus monkeys burst into action, swinging and leaping through the treetops. Their long arms and hook-like hands make them masters of brachiation, while their white tails signal direction to the troop. Leaps of up to 15 meters are routine, both for travel and to evade predators like the crowned eagle. The troop moves as one, following ancient arboreal highways, led by a dominant male. Young monkeys learn by watching and imitating, practicing their leaps under the watchful eyes of elders. Calls echo through the forest, marking territory and keeping the troop connected. In the canopy, every movement is survival. Colobus monkeys are leaf specialists, thriving on a diet few others can digest. Their multi-chambered stomachs, similar to cows, ferment tough leaves and neutralize toxins. Foraging is selective. Only the most nutritious leaves are chosen, guided by the wisdom of experienced females. Youngsters learn what's safe to eat by mimicking their mothers. This slow, deliberate diet shapes their lifestyle, making rest as important as movement. Their unique digestive system is a triumph of adaptation, allowing them to flourish where others cannot. The colobus is a master of making the most of the forest's green bounty. Colobus monkeys are highly social animals, thriving within the intricate web of their troop. They live in close-knit troops, forming strong bonds and relying on each other for survival. These troops are more than just gatherings. They are complex societies with established hierarchies and cooperative behaviors. The troop is usually led by a dominant male, a position earned through strength and experience. This male is responsible for protecting the troop from external threats and maintaining order within the group. He guides their movements and makes crucial decisions for the collective well-being. The core of the troop is composed of several females and their young. These females form lasting relationships, supporting each other in raising their offspring and maintaining the social fabric of the group. The young are the future of the troop, and their well-being is a shared responsibility. Social grooming cements bonds, reinforcing relationships and reducing tension within the troop. This essential activity helps to maintain peace and keeps the group harmonious, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation. It's a vital part of their social lives. Newborns, born with striking white fur, a stark contrast to the adults, are cared for by the whole troop, receiving attention and affection from all members. This communal care is a practice called allomothering, where females other than the mother assist in raising the young, sharing their responsibilities and strengthening the bonds within the troop. Play is vital for the young, allowing them to develop essential skills and learn the social dynamics of the troop. It's through play that they begin teaching them crucial survival skills and learn the complex social rules that govern their society. They hone their abilities through games and mock battles, preparing them for the challenges they will face as adults. Females form the stable core, providing continuity and stability within the troop. While disputes can arise, they are rare, as the Colobus monkeys prioritize harmony and cooperation. Conflicts are typically resolved with displays rather than violence, showcasing their commitment to maintaining peace within the troop. These displays involve posturing and vocalizations, allowing them to assert dominance without resorting to physical aggression. The troop is a source of safety, providing protection from predators and ensuring the well-being of all its members. It's also a place of learning, where the young acquire essential knowledge and skills from the adults. Above all, the troop offers unwavering support, creating a strong and resilient community. This intricate social structure is key to their survival in the complex and challenging forest world, allowing them to thrive in an environment filled with dangers and uncertainties. For the Colobus, family is everything, representing the foundation of their social lives and the source of their strength. Their unity is their strength, enabling them to overcome obstacles and flourish in their forest home. The story of the Colobus monkey is a tale etched in the very fabric of the African forests. It's a narrative that stretches back through millennia, a testament to adaptation and survival. Their evolutionary journey is unique, a divergence from the common primate path, It's a story of how environmental pressures can sculpt a species, leading to remarkable specializations. Unlike their primate cousins, the Colobus monkeys underwent a fascinating transformation, losing their thumbs. This wasn't a loss, but an adaptation, allowing them to swing effortlessly through the trees. They also developed highly specialized stomachs, complex digestive systems capable of breaking down tough plant matter. This allowed them to thrive on a diet primarily consisting of leaves, a food source that many other primates couldn't exploit. But their beauty became their curse. Once prized and hunted extensively for their striking fur, Colobus populations faced a dire threat. The 19th century saw a devastating decline, with their numbers decimated by relentless hunting. Thankfully, conservation efforts eventually intervened, curbing the destructive fur trade and offering a glimmer of hope for their survival. But their story serves as a stark reminder: wildlife is incredibly fragile, especially when faced with the insatiable demands of human exploitation and habitat destruction. Today we recognize the vital role Colobus monkeys play in their ecosystems, valuing them not just for their beauty, but for their ecological contributions. They are essential seed dispersers, helping to regenerate the forests they inhabit. And their feeding habits act as natural canopy pruners, contributing to the overall health and balance of the forest ecosystem. Their journey is a powerful testament to resilience, a story of survival against the odds. They stand as a symbol of Africa's rich natural heritage, a reminder of the unique biodiversity that must be protected. Their history serves as a cautionary tale, warning us of the devastating consequences of unchecked exploitation and the importance of sustainable practices. The Colobus monkey's story is ultimately a call to action, urging us to protect what remains of our planet's precious biodiversity and ensure a future where both humans and wildlife can thrive. Today, habitat loss is the greatest threat to the Colobus monkey. Deforestation for timber, agriculture, and settlements fragments their world, isolating troops and shrinking their gene pool. Isolated groups face disease, inbreeding, and increased vulnerability. Some are still hunted for bushmeat or persecuted as crop raiders. Forced to cross open ground, they become easy prey for predators and domestic animals. Natural predators like crowned eagles have always been part of their world, but human-driven threats are overwhelming. The shadow of habitat destruction looms larger than any eagle. Without urgent action, the Colobus could vanish from the canopy. The Colobus monkey's future depends on us. Protecting them means saving Africa's ancient forests and the biodiversity within. Conservationists and local communities are restoring habitats and creating wildlife corridors. Education and sustainable livelihoods are key to coexistence. Everyone can help. Support conservation, choose sustainable products, and spread awareness. The Colobus is a symbol of wild Africa, asking only to exist in peace. Let's be guardians of their forest kingdom, ensuring future generations can marvel at these ghosts in the treetops. The story of the Colobus is not just theirs, it's ours to write.